In today's video, we are going to explore the world of natural papercraft. Natural papercraft allows us to create beautiful and unique items using materials found in nature. One popular natural papercraft technique is leaf rubbing, where we place a leaf under a piece of paper and rub over it with a crayon to create a textured leaf print. Another technique is flower pressing, where we press flowers between sheets of paper to preserve their beauty and create lovely decorations or artwork. We can also use recycled paper to make our creations more sustainable and eco-friendly. Natural papercraft is a great activity for all ages to explore their creativity and connect with nature. We can make greeting cards with pressed flowers, bookmarks with leaf prints, or even sculptures by folding and shaping paper. To add a personal touch, we can incorporate elements like twigs, feathers, or seashells into our natural papercraft projects. By using materials found in our surroundings, we can create unique and one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect our appreciation for nature. Not only is natural papercraft fun and relaxing, but it also allows us to reduce waste and create beautiful, handmade items. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced papercrafter, there is always something new and exciting to discover in the world of natural papercraft. So gather your materials, find inspiration in nature, and let your creativity flow with natural papercraft.